Firstly, I told you are not alone. You earn money online, that's the easy way to earn money online. The thought of quitting my unfulfilling office job and making money on my own terms used to seem like an impossible fantasy. That is, until I discovered the many opportunities to generate income online. From freelancing, cryptocurrency, and affiliate marketing to building an online course or blog, the possibilities are endless in the digital age. The best part? You get to be your own boss. After years of dreaming about it, I finally took the jump and quit my job to pursue my passion. Along the way, I learned some valuable lessons about what it really takes to make money online. If you're ready to join the growing movement of digital work and reclaim your freedom, here's how to get started. However, before I begin the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. The starting journey isn't always easy, but with hard work and consistency, you can build your own business from the comfort of your laptop and any other devices. Are you ready to quit your 9-to-5 job and start living life on your own terms? The adventure awaits if you are ready to make money online with me. So let's get started. Choose an online business that fits your skills and interests. As someone looking to quit the job, the first step is finding an online business that plays to your strengths and interests. For me, that meant leveraging my writing skills. A few years ago, I started a blog to share my experiences traveling around Southeast Asia. At first, I did it just for fun, posting stories and photos from my trips. But soon my blog started gaining readers and I feel it. I could potentially make money from it. I signed up for an affiliate program to earn commissions promoting travel gear and also added ads to my blog site. If you got a hobby or skills, consider how you can turn that into an online business. Maybe you're a designer who can sell templates or do freelance work. Or a crypto trader, how gives it best opportunity for online business? This option just only depends to your interest. Maybe after some time you made a crypto master and you selling a course related to your field. Find what motivates and excites you, build your skills, and look for ways to monetize it. Don't feel limited to blogging, cryptocurrency, or freelancing though. You can also make money online by selling products, drop shipping, tutoring, doing market research studies, website testing, and more. With some time and effort, you'll find the right path for you to quit your 9-to-5 job and become your own boss. The key is starting with your interests and talents, then exploring the many possibilities from there. Making a living online isn't easy, but by finding work you genuinely care about, you'll increase your chances of success in your life. So take that first step and choose a niche that fits you. Another method, make it online $10,000. In today's digital age, blogging and creating YouTube content stand out as lucrative avenues for making money online. Having transitioned from a traditional 9-to-5 job to pursuing these endeavors full-time, I can share my insights on how to get started and succeed in this exciting world. Starting a blog was my initial step towards financial independence. I chose a niche I was deeply passionate about: travel and lifestyle. With unwavering dedication, I crafted 2 to 3 high-quality blog posts each week, always keeping the reader's interests in mind. It wasn't an overnight success. Rather, it required 6 to 12 months of consistent posting to see substantial growth in my traffic. This influx of visitors came from various sources, including search engines and social media. Once you've built a substantial readership, monetization opportunities arise. Affiliate marketing is a potent strategy. You promote products or services from companies you genuinely trust, earning commissions on sales made through your referral links. Additionally, you can join ad networks such as Google Ads, earning revenue when users click on advertisements. While the path to success may involve time and effort, blogging and YouTube offer tremendous potential for income generation, creative expression, and building a dedicated audience. If you're contemplating taking the plunge into these online ventures, remember that perseverance and a passion for your chosen niche are your strongest allies on this rewarding journey. Launch a YouTube channel. Launching a YouTube channel can be a rewarding endeavor, not only in terms of creative expression, but also as a potential source of income. I decided to create my own channel, which served as a valuable complement to my existing blog. To make this venture successful, I committed to posting 2 to 3 videos each week. Initial stages were a test of patience as I worked diligently to accumulate views and subscribers. However, as my channel gained traction, I began to reap the benefits. YouTube introduced me to their partner program, a pivotal milestone for any aspiring content creator. Through this program, I started monetizing my videos, transforming my passion into a genuine source of income. This journey is not only about generating revenue, but also about building a community, connecting with viewers, and sharing valuable content. It's a process that demands dedication, creativity, and persistence, but it can open up exciting opportunities for those willing to put in the effort. If you're contemplating starting your own YouTube channel, remember that success often comes to those who remain committed to their vision. The keys are more important in your life. Choose a topic you enjoy, post high quality and consistent content, build your audience, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. With time and dedication, you can quit your 9-to-5 too by making a living online through blogging, YouTube, and beyond. Sell products on Etsy or Amazon. Tap into e-commerce to earn passive income to make some extra money on the side. Selling products on major e-commerce platforms like Etsy or Amazon is a great option. As an avid crafter, I've been selling handmade jewelry and accessories on Etsy for a few years now to make a nice passive income from it. Here are some tips to get started. Choose a product niche and build an inventory. Decide on the types of products you want to sell. It could be handcrafted goods, vintage items, or wholesale products. Build up an inventory of at least 10 to 15 listings to start. I chose jewelry and hair accessories because I already have the skills and supplies on hand. Think about your own hobbies, talents, and interests that you can monetize. Set up an attractive storefront, create a stylish banner, profile photo, and storefront to showcase your brand. Write descriptions that highlight the unique details and quality of your products. Use lots of pictures from multiple angles. Price competitively based on similar products. I try to update my store with a new listing every week to keep things fresh. Build your customer base, promote your products on social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to increase traffic to your store. Run sales and coupon codes, especially when you first open. Provide great customer service by responding to questions and reviews quickly. I found that repeat customers and word of mouth are huge drivers of sales. Continue improving and expanding. Keep making improvements to your product photos, descriptions, and inventory based on customer feedback. Consider offering product customization options or bundles. Release new products and designs regularly to give your customers a reason to come back to your store. Over time, as your sales increase, you'll be earning a nice passive income from your e-commerce business. The key is sticking with it and consistently providing quality goods that your customers love. That's the lowdown on a few of the top ways to make money online and escape the 9-to-5 rat race. The possibilities are endless if you have the drive and determination. Sure, it will take work and there will be obstacles along the way, but imagine the freedom of making a living from anywhere with an internet connection. You can set your own hours, choose who you work with, and follow your passions. The life you've always wanted is out there waiting for you. All you have to do is take that first step. So what are you waiting for? Start building your online empire today and start living life on your own terms. So that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to get all the latest updates.